YouTube. Live bull snake here.
Dude, stop.
Okay.
Ah! Oh!
Just trying to help you, man. No, you don't understand.
Just hate that about snakes. You try and help them, but they just...
No, he doesn't know any better. He's a wild,
Oh! He's biting the pole.
Yeah, I don't get how this is gonna work.
Oh, Leslie. He's making it worse. Get his attention.
Hey! Whoa!
Just get his attention is all I need you to do. Don't be jacking around.
Hey! Woo.
Scares me every time he does that.
I got fear in me, that's why I spin. Oh, oh, oh.
I need a pair of clippers.
Clippers, run! Scissors, or whatever.
See how you wrapped around me?
Yeah. You're freaking brave. I would never do that.
I wouldn't suggest you do.
I know.
I'm just trying to help him.
Yeah.
He doesn't understand it. We're trying to help him.
Yeah. Does it hurt when he's wrapped around you like that?
He's so weak right now. He doesn't. He's worn out.
He's like, ugh.
See, he's just struggling to breathe. Let's go.
Okay, that's gonna free him from.
Want me to just clip him?
Yes. Bottom first. Clip the bottom. Bottom. All the excess. All the excess on the bottom.
There you go.
I'm not gonna let him get you.